You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that makes a lot of people confused. It's quite confusing, but it's pretty straightforward once you know. Stereotypes is the British English and American English pronunciations, which are similar here. Stereo, as in stereo. Types, that's the plural of stereotype. One stereotype. Several stereotypes. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Stereotypes, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.